Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tevs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is an Altec Lansing speaker audio system. Model CS4621. No power and no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to fix it. If you like electronics and want to learn to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So please do not forget to like and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. Mostly the problem with this audio system is the wire that connects to the volume, bass, and treble controls. Some of the wire will break apart because of unpreventable bending of it many times. Let's open it and test all the wire connections. Let's unscrew the volume, bass and treble controls. Now let's test the connections one by one. The multimeter is set to continuity mode. Beep means a good connection. Seems all connections are good. Let's measure voltages. 0.7 volts only was measured. Seems this is the preamp supply. It also gives the LED indicator a voltage supply which is only 0.7 volts. Let's open the woofer speaker where the power supply and the amplifier are located. Let's measure the power plug resistance. The resistance is 71.0 ohms, meaning the power transformer is okay. These are the audio amplifiers. Let's remove this part to see more of the circuit. Let's locate the preamp line supply. This is the preamp supply. So this is the preamp line supply in this circuit. Let's measure the main capacitor voltage. The voltage is 17.1 volts. This is the main supply which is 17.1 volts, and this is the preamp line supply which is only 0.7 volts. Looks like this resistor is open. The resistor is covered by an adhesive. One of the connecting leads of the resistors snaps due to corrosion. This is why we don't have a voltage on the preamp line. Let's remove the resistor and replace it. The resistor color code is not visible due to corrosion and it is covered with an adhesive. I think the resistor is not damaged or open. Let's remove some of the adhesive and the corrosion and try to test the resistance. The resistance is 351 ohms. Let's replace it with 330 ohms. There is no 350 ohms, only 330, 360, and 390 ohms. 330 ohms is the nearest, so it is the best choice. The resistor also changes its value from 330 ohms to 351 ohms. Let's remove some of the adhesive so the resistor will not corrode again. We have a voltage now of 8.7 volts. And the power light is turned on now.
A few moments later.
The Altec Lansing speaker audio system is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. You can also give a super thanks, and that will be great, and I will make more videos like this. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.